Welcome to the Pylontech FH3X installation video. Use properly insulated tools to prevent accidental electric shock or short circuits. If insulated tools are not available, cover the entire exposed metal surfaces with available insulated alternatives, except their tips, with electrical tape. Before installation and system power on, the dust and iron scurf must be removed to keep a clean environment. The system cannot be installed in desert areas without an enclosure to prevent sand. Battery module has active DC power at terminals all the time. Be careful to handle the modules. The IP rating of the system is IP65. Please avoid frost or direct sunlight out of the working temperature range will cause the battery system high, low temperature alarm or protection, leading to cycle life reduction. FH3X is not equipped with a fire alarm system. Please prepare a sound light alarm in the system installation area. Before the system installation, ensure that the grounding point of the base is stable and reliable. If the system is installed in an independent equipment cabin, for example container, the grounding of the cabin must be stable and reliable. Minimum clearance to heat source shall be more than 2 meters. Minimum clearance between battery strings shall be more than 0.3 meters. FH3X system must not be immersed in water. The battery base cannot be exposed to rain or other water sources. The single battery module weighs 39 kilograms. It should be handled by at least 2 people if no handling tools are available. A maximum of 7 battery modules are allowed to be installed in one system. Place the base along the wall and reserve 40 mm distance between the back of the base and the wall. Measure the frequency and voltage of grid connection, and ensure they follow the system's grid connection specifications. The reliability of all ground connections must be tested and valid. The system modules have 3 grounding points. Grounding cable must be greater than or equal to 10 AWG. The cable shall be copper with yellow-green color. Please install an individual 4-stage miniature circuit breaker according to the following specifications: 3-phase meter, CT, 3 cabinet. Remove the waterproof lid from the communication terminal. Insert the connector into the terminal until there is an audible sound. If the system has to be powered on without PV and grid, you can first turn on the battery switch and then press the black start button on power controller for 2 seconds.